Alright you guys, it's been a long time since I showed you what I've been cooking, so I'm going to do that. Fair warning, the reason the underlight is so bright is because my Aero garden is in the middle of its light cycle right now. So it's just super... Ooh, look at all them boxes. There's one thing you can always count on is there's always going to be tons of boxes in our house. Anyways, tonight I'm going to do like a chicken parmesan that's not breaded because I forgot breadcrumbs. And I guess that's what I'm going to show you. I actually don't really know what I'm doing because how hard can it be? It's like tomato sauce, chicken, Parmesean cheese, right? That's it. That's all. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to show you guys Frankie's new trick. Oh, she's already... Okay. Four on the floor. Oh, good girl. So that she doesn't jump. We don't want her to jump, so you say 4 on the floor, and she'll usually put all 4 on the floor. So the chicken I had taken out this morning is still frozen because Dan likes our fridge to be ridiculously cold. But thankfully, I had just bought a new pack of chicken and had only just stuck it in the freezer, so it's still thawed. So we will be using that tonight. So I didn't realize I had the dishwasher on still, so it's probably a little bit loud in some of these clips, but oh well. Anyways, ooh, top-down view, fancy. So, like I said, kind of flying by the seat of my pants on this one. I just realized it would have been nice to maybe have something to like stuff it, but c'est la vie. I am just going to cut them in half. That wasn't a very good half. Oh well. But I'm going to flatten it out anyways. Or at least attempt to. We'll see how that goes. So bear with me. Alright. So, I got my flat chicken. And I think what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to roll it up with some cheese. So I'll get my salmonelli hand glove out of there. I always keep one hand chicken free. Like, let's do that. And then we use my favorite big country garlic seasoning. A little that in there. Oh, and we're gonna use fresh basil! You guys, this is the first basils. Oh my gosh, and they smell so good. It's not very much, but oh my goodness. We'll just put the smaller one on the small one. Oh my gosh, fresh basil smells incredible. Alright, I'm going to re-glove. My fingers so I can roll. I'm going to prepare 2 toothpicks. Or a couple toothpicks maybe. And I realize chicken parmesan you usually don't roll it, but I am going to do whatever I want. So live and let live. Alright. 1. Probably would have been good with like some mushrooms or something stuffed into it. I feel like that's not really tight enough, is it? Nope. Okay, let's try this. We'll try this again. There we go. That's a good roll. We got it. Okay. Boom. Perfect. Now, I'm just going to do the same thing again with another chicken. But I don't know that you need to see that. Boop. Alright, I'm putting a little oil in. Just gonna eyeballs it. Oh, about like a tablespoon. Oh, by the way, I have put these in a cast iron dish. Just so you're aware, and I'm going to dust it again with some more of this country garlic blend. Get it all up in there. And then, basically, I'm almost gonna like, just dab it. With some pasta sauces. I want it to, not like, I don't want it to drown in it, but I do want it to cover a good chunk. But I don't want it to be like a stew, if that makes sense. Frankie, honey, you're making a lot of noise, little girl. And now I'm just gonna drizzle some more cheeses on tops. And then when we're ready for dinner, that'll go in for probably, because I rolled them up, it makes them thicker, so I'll probably put it in for like 40 minutes or so. And then we'll see if it turned out okay. Who knows? If we need to, we'll order pizza. Alright, we are looking delicious. So I'm just going to put it in for, I'm going to add a little more red sauce, put it in for a few more minutes, maybe put a little more cheese on top, and then service. Alright, there we go. That's our new fangled chicken parmesan. No breading. That's okay. It smells really good. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think if you try it.